Alrighty, so to change the time zone on your Android phone, we'll go to Settings first. And if you're on a Samsung phone like I am, scroll down to General Management. Then you'll go to Date and Time, and there you'll find the toggle for Automatic Time Zone. If I turn that off, I can then manually choose both the region and the actual time zone. The time zones you'll see available are determined by the region, so you'll want to adjust both. If you're using something like a Google Pixel phone or another phone that's using stock Android, similar steps, just a different looking menu. So on a Pixel, I'll go to Settings and then scroll down to System. In the System menu, we have Date and Time here, and again, Automatic Time Zone, which I can turn off and then manually pick my region. And again, based on the region, it'll show you the available time zones. So that is how you change the time zone on your Android phone. Click that like button if this video helped, and subscribe for more easy guides like this one. Thanks all.